Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 5th, 2012. It's Friday and we're getting ready for the weekend. And it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice day today, but this weekend, not so much. Let's get to the forecast here. First of all, our observations range from the upper 50s to the lower 60s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. We do have some cooler spots around Messina and around Allentown, Pennsylvania, with temperatures in the lower 50s. Pretty much the areas that have lower 50s this morning are areas where fog is really socked in. Of course, around the Philadelphia metropolitan area, we are already pushing into the lower to mid 60s. So what can we expect for today? Excellent weather conditions, really, as high pressure is in control. And that's going to allow our temperatures to really rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s today. So enjoy it while you can, because these temperatures are going away for quite some time. Taking a look at the radar, you can see for the most part for the northern Mid-Atlantic, there's really nothing going on around the northern Mid-Atlantic. However, pay attention to what's going on in the Ohio River Valley. We have an area of showers and a few isolated thunderstorms developing with a cold front that's approaching. This will reach the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas by tomorrow evening. So much of the day tomorrow should be dry and comfortable with temperatures in the 70s, but then the rain approaches as a major cold front approaches the region. Now let's take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, because this really tells us what's happening and what will be happening. As you can see, we have a very impressive upper level low sitting up right around southwestern Ontario. We have high pressure that is sitting up around the Tennessee River Valley that's going to shift towards the east coast today. So expect scattered cloud cover at the most, with winds shifting to the southwest. And again, our temperatures rising into the upper 70s and lower 80s. For tomorrow, this cold front will slowly move towards the northern Mid-Atlantic and produce increasing cloud cover through the day, winds increasing from the southwest anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour. Our temperatures rising into the lower to mid 70s right along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s elsewhere. And then this cold front is going to move through tomorrow evening with scattered showers, possibly an isolated thunderstorm, nothing too severe. But what will be interesting is the very cold air mass that is behind this cold front. Now, when I say cold for this time of year, we're talking about temperatures in the upper 40s to mid 50s for highs on Sunday. But I'm jumping a horse here. I want to also point out one other aspect. You see these disturbances here? These disturbances are going to coalesce and basically form an area of low pressure along the Delaware coast by Sunday morning. And this low pressure system is going to rapidly move towards the New England coastal waters by Sunday evening into early Monday morning. And that means that once this cold front moves through, colder air builds in, we deal with scattered showers, and then we get another wave of rain on Sunday. Now what's interesting is that with this cold air building in, we could actually see some snow in higher elevations above 1,000 feet. I don't expect any accumulation. Maybe it traces to an inch on grassy surfaces or cold surfaces in elevations above 1,500 feet. But for the most part, this is not a major event. It's just an interesting one considering the evolution of this pattern over the past several weeks and where we're going over the next couple of weeks. Taking a look at the model guidance, here we are with the European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. We start off with tonight, with last night should I say. You can see our strong upper level low setting up around southwestern Ontario. You can see one subtropical disturbance that is lifting north and east that produced showers yesterday, and high pressure is starting to build in. For this evening, high pressure again will be shifting off the coast. Here comes our cold front approaching from the Ohio River Valley and eastern Great Lakes. Notice that for the most part we have rather dry air over the northern Mid-Atlantic, so I don't expect any precipitation, just some increasing cloud cover for tonight. Now by tomorrow, our cold front is moving through. The cold front will start to stall off the east coast on Saturday night. Notice we have areas of moisture starting to invade the northern Mid-Atlantic, especially at 850 millibars, and that means we're going to be dealing with some scattered showers. Not anything widespread, not anything that's going to wash out your Saturday evening plans, but keep an eye on the sky and keep it, be prepared for a shower or two. It's not going to be the end of the world, but clearly there's going to be a few showers in the area. But notice this disturbance here. This disturbance dives towards the mid-Atlantic coast. And when it does so, it's going to spawn an area of low pressure off of the mid-Atlantic coast. So by Sunday evening, here's our low pressure system starting to intensify. Now notice how tightly packed the thermal gradient is at 850 millibars right here. So what we're seeing here is that our low pressure system is intensifying, colder air is being pulled towards the coast. Now again, everyone else below 1,000 feet, pretty much everyone in the Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area, for the most part, 99% of the population will see just rain. Periods of rain Sunday evening, Sunday overnight into early Monday morning. However, if you are in northeastern Pennsylvania or northern New Jersey above 1,000 feet, if you're in the Hudson River Valley, if you're in northwestern Connecticut, do not be surprised if you see some snowflakes mixed in with this rain and possibly even a brief changeover to snow, producing minor accumulations of a trace to an inch on cold surfaces. Like I said, it's just an interesting weather pattern that is starting to evolve around here. That low pressure system will rapidly exit, and then the good news, if you like cooler air and fall conditions, is that a polar high pressure system will set up for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And this polar high pressure system will produce dry conditions for the most part. Some weak disturbances and weak cold fronts will move through from time to time with an increase in cloud cover, but I expect dry conditions Monday through Thursday. And most importantly, temperatures are going to be rather chilly. We're talking about highs Monday through Thursday ranging from the mid-50s to lower 60s. Lower 60s most likely in your urban locations, upper 50s for most other locations, mid-50s for your northern interior locations and higher elevations. Also, I just want to backtrack here for Sunday. With the showers and the low pressure system developing, do not be surprised if most locations do not break into the mid-50s. I wouldn't be surprised if most locations are around 50 degrees for a high on Sunday. That's how chilly it's going to be. It's going to be a very interesting weather pattern, that is for sure. So again, to recap, today is going to be the warmest day of the 7-day period. Temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Tomorrow, increasing clouds, mid to upper 70s for highs for most locations. Look for showers to invade the northern mid-Atlantic, invade the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Tomorrow evening on through the overnight periods. Not a washout, but still a nuisance with these scattered showers. Sunday, wave of low pressure system develops. Colder air is in place. A raw, wet day with periods of rain at times and temperatures stuck in the mid-40s to lower 50s. By Monday on through Thursday, polar high pressure is in control. We're talking about high temperatures in the mid-50s to lower 60s, or in low temperatures in the mid-30s to mid-40s. Of course, your colder locations in your interior locations. That is your forecast for today. I hope everyone has an enjoyable weekend. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather, and you can follow the latest weather information at NYNJPA Weather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.